Now let me see. Fort Lauderdale, I wonder what it's like. Well, let's go check it out. What is going on, everybody? And as always, once again, welcome to Pay Yourself Back, where the key to happiness in this life is spiritual and mental wellness. And also welcome back to another series of videos I have entitled Ride Along. Today, we're going to be heading up to Fort Lauderdale. Now, when I first heard of Fort Lauderdale, you know, I'm thinking, yeah, the beach, yeah, you know, it just sounds beachy, just, you know. But actually, to be honest with you, what I found out is that Fort Lauderdale has what I like to call a lot of little sub-cities, if you will, or more or less, for lack of better words, and probably to be politically correct, municipalities. So we're heading up there right now. All right, see you guys in a minute. I know one thing, you come to Fort Lauderdale, you have to go to Los Olas, which is where we're getting ready to head right now. Got the beach over here on this side right here, which is, they're setting up the umbrellas and you know, for you to get your tan on if that's what you're into. You know, ain't really my thing. I'm good already. But people come out here and they, you know, they do their thing. I mean, you know, this tourist people do whatever they do. Whatever they do, whatever I used to do when I used to come here too. I do what they do. But now that I live here, it's just different. You know, still come and hang out. It's still fun. I hate sitting in the house. guys, I think that's about it. Getting ready to wrap it up here. I appreciate you guys tuning in to Pay Yourself Back and doing the ride along with me in Fort Lauderdale. As you can see, Fort Lauderdale is a really nice place. I wish I could afford to live in some of the homes on the water down there, but you never know. I mean, but we keep hoping and dreaming and wishing, and maybe one day our dreams and our hopes will come true. Who knows? Nevertheless, I try to concentrate on areas that if you are a visitor and a tourist, that you'll be coming, you know, and enjoying those areas, which is the Los Olas. Then downtown there's a lot of things to do, so I mainly tried to concentrate on those areas. I mean, Fort Lauderdale is a big place. I didn't do the whole city for obvious reasons. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Like the video, share, subscribe. Hey, and with that being said, be well, my friend. Silos out, baby.